Deuce has one yet.
That seems like a good idea.
I need your cake. I need your cake.
All right, let's go. We gotta go.
Listen, you got a spot right here.
Murph, let's go.
That's up to the captain. We got shotguns to worry about.
Let's go.
Kimmins starts.
Wait.
I'm not good at this.
Are you a fucking retard?
Please somebody puke, please. Please someone puke.
Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
No, wait. I don't know if everybody's ready.
Everyone, here we go.
Wait, it's going to be a domino now.
I'm going to start, so you got to go.
You're starting?
Yeah.
Kimmins starts. You're number 2.
All right, we're on 10,
Drunk in a boat start.
9,
Wait. Are we ready?
We're going to do a waterfall.
8,
Kimmy, you start.
7,
All right, we got that figured out. Let's go.
6.
Don't everybody go until the guy in front of you finishes.
Sounds videotaping.
Oh, he's the video man.
Don't go until the guy to your right's done.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's do it at once.
No, stop it. Wait till he's done.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Nice Kim out.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Asshole.
We got. We're on number 3.
Go.
There's a pool and a pond. A pond will be good for you. Number 4.
Oh, yeah, $4.
Am I the only one
We
who's
are
spilling?
polluting the Massaquan River with Bud Light.
Sparky.
We got a pro here. We got a pro.
No drip. Somebody give me another one.
Murph. Oh my God!
Nice job.
He's got the captain and the whole 9 yards. All right, guys, here we go.
I almost threw these keys over the side.
I told you that's not what
Go,
you
Mike.
What the hell happened?
Here we go, Mike White.
It went right at my nose.
It was good.
It's not a dick, Whitey.
Nice, White.
Nice job, Mike.
Yeah, here we go.
Troopers.
That's right, yeah.
American finest.
On the road.
On the road.
All-star.
This could be a world record, actually.
There we go. World record of
Jeremiah,
Nice. Oh, we got a couple pros.
Wow.
Nice job.
Caesar, you're nervous, dude. These whitey boys are doing it good.
Yeah. New drips.
Holy,
Wow.
fastest.
Well done.
You got fastest.
Riley's the anchorman.
Yeah, Riley's already drinking 4 while we started this.
Nice
He's
job.
drinking 6.
Here we go.
See, go. Come on, see, let's go.
Camera on this guy.
See, come on. Mateo's thinking of you.
That angle. Check out
Caesar's getting
Oh,
Riley, go to work, Riley.
Right.
Riley, 2 seconds.
Riley.
Second. It's good.
Dude, he's the man. He's the man. Wow. Not even a drip.
That is clean, dude.
Very meticulous shotgun. There it is, guys.
Wow, that was good.
All right.
Good job, guys.